Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to the Standup. So today what we're going to be doing is, or probably for the next little while, I have a nice big epic, which has got, basically it's like board UI improvements, and it's a lot of things that just need cleaning up. So we've got some problems to address. We've also got some like little feature bits, just like removing emojis, tighten up some of the fonts and things like that. But the main one that we're going to be working on, so we're actually two parts. So this morning I started working on this problem here, which was that our progress bars weren't working correctly. And they were filling up, and then sometimes the tickets were sort of lasting there for like a few more days, which was a problem. So like I'd say it was completed, but it wasn't. So we done some work on it to kind of figure out what was going on, and it was to do with days estimated and versus days completed, and whether or not they're greater than or equals to, etc. So we fixed that problem. But while doing it as well, we noticed this thing where a ticket was going to 100% and it was going back down to 67%, and it was going back up to 100. It was like, what's happening here? Completely forgot. Built a mechanic called rework, which was basically this idea that at the end of a ticket hitting 100%, it would be, did it actually complete its in progress status, or did the developer have to do some rework? So that's what was going on with where sometimes the bars were going to 100% and they were going back to 67. This rework event was happening, and it currently happens 20% of the time. So instead, or with that, I want to build out this concept, and it's something people might be aware of, is that this idea that the last 10% takes 90% of the time. So we're going to rework the mechanic a little bit so that the bar will hit 90%, but then it's like that's where the rework can happen, or it can last a lot longer. So anyone that's done any software development, or probably any project really in that matter, knows when you get to that end part, that's when all the problems start occurring. So that is the main ticket we're going to be working on, and we should be starting on it now. So, and I'm actually now, what I'm going to be doing as well is that I'm going to go straight in now to live stream on YouTube. I've been experimenting with live streaming on Twitch, and it's been okay. But I think I'm going to stick on YouTube. I have no idea why. I think I'm just going to keep everything in YouTube. So yeah, we're going to go live now. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.